Good morning, everyone. Myself Vaishaki KM from 4th M IS. Today, I am going to explaining about the topic load and storing introduction. We have the different category of the load and storing introduction. The main purpose of using this introduction in which is you want to transfer data from memory to register to memory. We can record the introduction. This introduction come under the data processing introduction. Thank you.
Hello everyone, myself Suchitra from 4th SEM ISC. Today I am going to explain about the topic load and store instruction. Load store instruction. Here the first instruction called LDR, where LD is load, R means register from the memory. If you want to transfer 32-bit in data from the memory to register, we can go for this particular instruction, load word into a register. It means if you go for a ARM7, the size of each word length is 32-bit. Next one is STR. It means store the content of register to the specified memory location. If you want to transfer data from the register to memory, the size of the memory must be 32-bit. LDRB. It means load register byte. Transfer data from memory, size of the data must be 8-bit data to the register. Out of 32-bit, here we use only 8-bit. STRB. Store register byte. Transfer data from the register to the memory. The size of the memory is 8-bit only. LDRH. It means load register of word. Here H stand for of word. Load of word into a register to a memory. Transfer 16-bit data from memory to register. STRH. Store 16-bit data from memory to register.
Hello everyone, myself Sneha. Today I am going to explain about load and store instructions. Here first we have to study about what is meant by load and store operations. In R, we having load and store architecture. It means to access memory. We can use only these two instructions, which is nothing but load and store. ARM uses a load store model for memory access, which means that only load store instruction can access memory. Load and store single register instruction can transfer a 32-bit word, a 16-bit of word, or an 8-bit byte between memory and a register. This load and store instruction can transfer 1 byte of data, 2 byte of data, or 32 byte of data. We can transfer this data also. Then byte and half word loads can be automatically 0 extended or sign extended as they are loaded. All register in ARM are 32-bit byte. It means, for example, if we take R0 as a register, then R0 can store 32-bit of data. But if we load 16-bit of data or 8-bit of data from a memory, then what will happen to the remaining bits of this particular register? For that purpose, 0 extended or sign extended is used. In sign extension, complex or arithmetic of increasing the number of bits of a binary number while preserving the number sign and value. For example, we take one number, for example 10000111. It is the 8-bit data. If you load this 8-bit data into the R0 register of the ARM, then we must have to convert this particular data into 32-bit. Because of the R0 register is 32-bit byte, so we have to preserve this sign of this particular number. Then what we have to do is the MSB bit, as we know MSB bit represent the sign of that particular number. So we put 1 1 for that particular MSB bit in all the next locations. So we can have this number, this is 8-bit number, and remaining bits we fill with 1111. So this sign of that particular number should be preserved. This is done by appending digits to the most significant side of the number. This we perform operation by operating these bits to the MSB site. Thank you.
Hi everyone, myself Nivedita, 4th SEM ISC. I'm gonna explain about load and store pre, post and auto indexing. There is concept related to load store which is nothing but pre-index, post-index, and pre-index with write back. It is also called auto indexing. These three we are going to study in this slide. First one is pre-index. It means basically we have one offset value, and before loading data inside this register, this particular offset value added to the base register and then particular data loaded into the register. Data is nothing but memory address base plus offset base address register is not updated. For example, load register R0 with the value R1 plus 4. It is called pre-index because beyond loading value inside the register, our base address is updated. That's why it is called pre-index. Next, post-index. Post-index means after uploading data inside this register, our value of base register is normally changed. For example, R1 is equal to R1 plus 4. In this case, first R0 register is loaded with the data pointed by R1 register, and then R1 register will be changed with the offset value, that is R1 plus 4. That's why, and 4 written outside the bracket. Pre-index with write back. It is also called as auto indexing. Auto indexing normally done with the exclamation symbol. Data is nothing but memory base plus offset address, and base index is again loaded with the base plus offset. In these we are putting exclamatory mark which update address automatically. So it is called as auto indexing. For example, R0 is loaded with the addressing pointed by R1 plus 4 and again going to change with R1 plus 4. Thank you.